G'day, my name is Emil and I'm the Technical Manager for BWT. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our water softener range. What we've got in front of me here is a 12-litre water softener, but you do get it in a 25-litre water softener as well. 25 or 12 is referring to the amount of resin that's inside of the unit. This is a beautiful, small, self-contained system, which means it doesn't need a brine tank as this unit next to it. With this unit, you might need a brine tank next to it, and the brine tank is where your salt goes in. So with this self-contained unit, the salt goes on the inside, and then it's got a separate vessel that houses the resin. The valve is quite intelligent because you tell the valve what the amount of hardness is that you're giving it, and it will calculate what the amount of softened water is that it can produce before it needs to do a regeneration. So when I talk about regeneration, I'm referring to the unit cleaning itself. It makes use of salt, which is sodium, it dissolves it, and it washes it over the resin. That does an exchange process, which then exchanges the calcium and magnesium it took on, and it exchanges it for the sodium, which means that it's ready for the next cycle. During the next cycle, you have hard water coming in that's got high levels of calcium and magnesium ions. Your resin inside of the unit is charged with sodium, and when it comes into contact with the resin, it exchanges. So it takes on the calcium and magnesium and it exchanges it for some sodium. This process is referred to as ion exchange. And once all of the resin is fully saturated, it needs to do a regeneration. After the regeneration, the unit is good to go for a number of liters again. A small unit like this can do up to a flow rate of 1,600 liters an hour. The bigger 25-litre can do up to 2 cubes an hour, which is both suitable for domestic applications. So a nice small self-contained unit that only uses 2 to 3 kgs of salt on every regeneration. Unlike other traditional softeners that's on the market, it can't be regulated on the amount of salt that it uses. Here you'll predict the amount of salt that you're going to use for a month, which then brings the running cost down. This unit can be purchased at any of the BWT stores nationwide. It can also be purchased online at www.bwtshop.co.za.